Today I want to design your first business card on Photoshop. This course is completely for beginners, those that have never used Photoshop before, but they love Photoshop and they want to grow their skills. So today I'm going to design your first business card. Simple and straight to the point on Photoshop. So let's head to Photoshop and start right away. So to design your first business card on Photoshop, you need to master dimension and master how to create a new document on Photoshop. Creating a new document on Photoshop is quite easy. You have to just come to Files, New, and you hit on, let's go to inches, and here it's supposed to be 3.5 by 2. Then resolution is supposed to be 300. Color mode should be CMYK. Then you click on Artboard. Then there you click OK. Now, once you are done from this, all you have to do now is to create another artboard, which you can simply do that by coming right down here and duplicating using Ctrl J to duplicate. It's gonna add another artboard automatically. It's gonna add another artboard automatically. We can come to View to say Fit on Screen so that all the two artboards will fit on screen. The next thing that you're gonna do to ease your work is to name them. Let's name the artboard 1 copy as the back. Then let's name artboard 1 as the front. So that's gonna help us in our design. Now the next thing that you're gonna do is to create the background. So this is the tool, the shape tool here, which the shortcut for shape tool is U. So let's click on it and simply create a background like this. You can pause the video and practice it again. So once you have created this, you see it's not the color that it's supposed to be. So you can come to fill here, fill here, or either come here, or here. So you click on it, then you can create your color by coming to this color picker from here. Now how did I do it? Let me show you how I quickly did that. So before I show you that, we have to learn how to import a file on Photoshop. So if I come to File, I come to Place Embedded, and all I have is just select the logo, then I click on Place. Alright, so this is the logo that I have here with me, which I'm gonna resize it to this size. Now this is what I did, okay, to get this color. Remember on our first tutorial, we were talking about when you don't know the color, you want to provide the color, you can pick the color from the logo. So how do you do that? You do that by using color picker. Now let's quickly go back to our shape and come to shape, to the shape tool with the shortcut for it is U, and click on Fill. Then we'll go to color picker. While you go to color picker, simply click on a color that you want to turn the background to, like that. For example, if I wanted the background to be like this color, I just have to click on it, then I click on OK. It's gonna automatically change. So if I come back there and I click on this purple and I click on OK, it's gonna give me the purple. So that is how you use color picker to choose your colors. This course is completely for beginners. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So now let's increase this just a bit. Then the family font we'll use for this is Montserrat. So now let's just write so before that, let me explain the text tool. This is a text tool here, and the shortcut for it is T. So if you want to use it, all you have to do is to click on it and go to the artboard where you want to type something. There you still click on it, then now you type what you want to type. I want to type WepTech and click on enter, and I type Academy. Then carry it up, then you change it to white. Then you can group it by coming to this create a new group. There's one a link there. You can double click and you click on logo. And the next thing we're gonna do is visit us as WepTech Academy. So at the back there, so let's simply click on this white space with our text. So they click right, visit us at weptechacademy.com. So I'm gonna reduce the text size on my dashboard itself. I have this guy here, which enables me to edit the font and carry it as much as I want. Now if you don't have this, all you have to do is to come to Windows and click on this place, a character. Come to Windows, then click on character. There you are gonna have it. So I want to reduce mine to, let's say, around 8. It's too big for me, so I'll go with 6. Then I'll not use this extra bold, I'll use medium. Then VAT. This VAT here shows me how I want to set my tracking. So what I want to do from there is simply to come here and click on 200. Then resize it to this. Now I can see a line like that, it's okay. So I said something on the other video about creating smart object. So to create a smart object is quite easy. Create a smart object, you just have to come on this on the file, you right click on the file, then you click on convert to smart object. Yeah, that is how you create it. It's very, very easy. So that is it. You are done for the first part. Now the second part is to go to the front guy and design it. Now the thing I did from there is it's quite easy. We already have our logo, so I'll just double click this logo and carry it to the front guy. Now it's very easy to carry, please don't get confused. If I'm on layer 1, this back right, and I want that maybe something that I put on this layer 1, it should be on front. All you have to do is first of all copy it by using Ctrl J. Then now you can now like copy it to the layer 1, to the layer that I want to use it, and it's gonna automatically pop up. Oops, I'm trying to do something there. Alright, so what I'm trying to do is just to is to change the color of the WepTech Academy of this guy, because you see I'm using a black background and it's not visible. So to do that, I have to crop the guy, the one with the number out, which I want to use this rectangular mask square tool, which is a shortcut for it is M. To do that, I simply have to click on it, then I come and just try to draw something straight. Then click on Ctrl J, then I have to double click on it. Then it's gonna give you this layer styles here. So go to color overlay, then come to where you see this color here. Then you can set the color to whatever one that you want. Then you click on OK, OK, then there you go. Then you can see convert back to the smart object. You reduce it and fit it where it's supposed to be. Now something I'm not doing here, I'm not designing with alignment layout, and it's not really good, right? So adding it, I'll also show you how to add it now. Adding is very easy. You have to come to view, then you come to rollers. Mine has deactivated because it was already activated, so you can simply come back to view and come to rollers. So from there, click and hold this downward. Perfect. Let's do same for the other side. Let's do same for the other side. And let's do same for the other side. Now I want to confirm if I've done all my equal, so I will use a rectangular tool to do that. So simply draw a shape on this guy here. Then click on Ctrl just to duplicate to the four corners to see if all of them actually fit, or you have to do some adjustment to it. Let's just shift this a bit. Perfect. So what is these shapes that I put by gonna help me? It helped me to ensure that all my aligns are the same. So right away, let's continue to our name. Remember what I said on the first video, that we should have to always ensure that the video, the name at least has a higher font as compared to the other ones. There you go with your information. Now the last thing that I did on this design, which I'll show you, is add the logo as a background. So we have to first of all import our logo. Then we reduce the opacity from here. Once you import, you see opacity fill, so I'll reduce the fill to just pop up at the background. Then let's delete these guys at the corners, because if we print it, it's gonna show. Then let's fit on screen to see our design. So this is a simple flyer or a simple business card that by the end of this tutorial you should be able to do. Now if you have any difficulties doing this tutorial, kindly comment in the section below and I'll be available to answer you. Welcome to WepTech Academy once again. Don't forget to subscribe this video, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to like the video.